Now, Pakistan Defence Minister Khwaja Asif escalating the matter further. He has ramped up anti-against India, openly threatening Delhi with use of nuclear tactical weapons. In an interview to a Pakistani channel, Asif said that Pakistan has, and I quote, special bombs which will be used against India so that the coming generations will get affected, adding that Pakistan can easily devastate India. Let's take a listen.
हमने जो भी प्रोग्राम डेवलप किया
यही स्मार्ट डिवाइसेस यही है ना आपकी
टेक्निकल डिवाइसेस जो हैं या टेक्निकल वेपन्स जो हैं जो हमने ये प्रोग्राम डेवलप किया हुआ है ये अपनी हिफाजत के लिए डेवलप किया हुआ है अपनी सलामती की हिफाजत अल्लाह ताला के बाद जो है वो हमारा जोर बाजू है ना हमारी अफवाज हमारी कौम का जिसके ऊपर हमें इन्हिसार करना पड़ना है तो ये जो है ये हमने डिवाइसेस जो हैं जस्ट एज शो पीसेस तो नहीं रखे हुए अगर कोई ऐसा मौका आया अल्लाह ना करे मैं कोई जिंग्विस्टिक किस्म की बात नहीं करना चाहता लेकिन अल्लाह ना करे कोई ऐसा मौका आया लेकिन अगर हमारी सलामती को खतरा हुआ हमारी बका को खतरा हुआ और ये कोल्ड स्टार्ट डॉक्ट्रिन जो है अगर उसमें इन्होंने अमल दरामद करने की कोशिश की तो हम नेस्तो नाबूद कर देंगे उनको तो 100% पाकिस्तान में जितनी भी दहशतगर्दी की वारदातें हुई हैं पिछले कई सालों के अंदर उसमें डायरेक्टली या इनडायरेक्टली जो है इंडियन स्टेट जो है रियासत जो है वो बराह रास्त इन्वॉल्व है इंडिया क्या फिर स्टेट टेररिज्म में इन्वॉल्व है बिल्कुल 100%.
Their double speak is exposed this morning. We have Gaurav who's joining us from Delhi, Kasfar from Islamabad. Let me go across to Gaurav first. Gaurav, Nawaz Sharif says at the United Nations General Assembly platform that Pakistan are responsible nuclear state. What do you make of the Pak Defence Minister's brazen nuclear threat? He said it's not jingoistic, but what else can it be if not warmongering from Pakistan's side, openly threatening India?
You're absolutely right. It's a bluster, it's a rant, and considering the man is the defense minister of Pakistan. But then, you know, one thing needs to be appreciated here. The civilian leadership in Pakistan is not worth anything. It's the military leadership that matters. And this is something that India needs to realize. No matter how much they engage with the civilian leadership, as far as India-Pakistan relations or China or United States or counter-terrorism is concerned, it's only the military leadership you need to listen to. Civilians in Pakistan, are perhaps second-rate or third-rate citizens. This is bluster. It can be treated with the contempt it deserves. And this is warmongering. India in 21st century does not need war to bring Pakistan to its knees, and I think all the action taken by government of India so far indicates that isolating Pakistan diplomatically, withdrawing most favored nation status to Pakistan, isolating it economically, these are some of the measures that India will take, or India will harness full waters. Indus Water Treaty, India will harness it to its fullest in the years to come. All of that is enough to put Pakistan in its place.
Militarily, absolutely, Gaurav. An irresponsible statement. Gaurav, an irresponsible statement by the defense minister of Pakistan, using the nuke word again and again, trying to threaten India.